Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to unbox the Tamiya M-05. It's the chassis with the NSU TT Jagermeister body. This little thing looks pretty fun. It's a forward drive car, so I'm curious to see how it handles. But from the pictures and some of the videos I saw, looks like a lot of fun. Here's a look at the chassis. So it's pretty interesting as far as the steering. The servo sits kind of towards the back and has a long arm, and that controls the steering mechanism. But battery sits across the center, and yeah. Electronic speed controller. It says it's not included, but on the box there's a sticker that says it is included, so we'll see. Roll cage, and there are coil spring damper units. So inside the box you got some parts trees, plenty of parts. Here is the ESC. And I'm pretty sure this is the same ESC that came with the lunchbox. There are some gears, there are some bushings. Now I got the fast eddy bearings coming in for this because I don't like the plastic bushings. But there's a 540 motor and some other various parts in here. Quick look at the gears, it looks like it's actually metal geared. So that is pretty cool. And there is the body. Body looks pretty cool, but it's a nice piece of Lexan, feels pretty good I guess for the most part. Yeah, pretty good. Not thin really anywhere. And this will be a lot of fun to paint up. Got to figure out what colors I'm going to do it. And in the rest of the box you got some wheels, some more plastic parts trees, there's some foam. Not really sure what the foam's for. And here's the tires. They're just kind of flat, almost like slicks. So curious to see how these things go. And at the bottom you have the instructions, and you got actually the instructions for the body separate. I don't know, another pamphlet thing here. So besides the servo, this thing is pretty much ready to go. Be getting this thing together for the Tamiya Tuesday build-off in August. Probably bleeding over into September. But that's really it for today. Sorry for the short video. But if you liked what you saw, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day, and I will see you on the next one.